Hi friends, welcome to Cooking Stories. Today we are going to prepare a variety recipe, Paneer Badam Masala. First we will take around 4 tomatoes and boil them for around 3 to 4 minutes. After 3 minutes our tomato skin started coming off. We will keep it aside and let it cool down. Meanwhile, we will fry our onions. For this, we will take around 2 tablespoons of oil and 1 big onion sliced nicely. Now we will saute it till it turns slight brown in color. Our onions have turned brown in color. So now we will add around 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon Kashmiri red chilli powder, and 1.5 tablespoons of coriander powder. We will saute it for 30 seconds till raw smell of masalas are gone. To prepare paste, we will take around 6 cloves of garlic, 1 medium piece of ginger, around 3 green chillies, 1 handful of almonds soaked overnight and peeled. For this paneer curry, we will actually need around 1 cup of almonds which is soaked overnight and peeled, out of which half we will use for this paste and rest for our curry later. Now add 1 teaspoon Shahi Jeera. Grind it slightly and add previously sauteed onions into it and a 1/4 cup of water. Now grind it into a paste. I have also removed skin of boiled tomatoes and blended it into a smooth paste. Now let's move on to our curry. For this we will need around 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon Shahi Jeera and 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. Saute it till mustard seeds start to crackle. Now we will add our tomato puree and paste together into it. As soon as you add this, it will start bubbling up, so keep stirring it and close the lid. And in frequent intervals, keep stirring it. We will cook this till oil starts to separate out. It's cooked now, and as you can see, oil has started separating out. So now we will add around 1.5 tablespoons of salt and around 1.5 cups of water. Give it a nice stir. Now we will close the lid and cook it till it boils on full flame. It's boiled. Now stir it and cook again for around 3 minutes on low flame. It's been 3 minutes. Now we will add around 200 grams of paneer cut into small cubes, rest of our almonds, around half teaspoon garam masala and 1 teaspoon crushed Kasuri Methi. Stir it well and cook it for around 3 minutes on full flame. Once cooked, switch off the flame and add few coriander leaves and finally a tablespoon of fresh cream. And with this, our Paneer Badam Masala is ready. If you enjoyed watching our videos, do subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified for our future videos.